Let's do this. Today I'm talking about torx. What I've got here is a max set of torx. And it's a real nice set. There was a lot that were broken, recently replaced. I got this back when we had a Mac Man, and then he stopped coming, and they started breaking, so I was like, oh no! And so I ended up having to buy your basic snap-on set. You'll notice one is missing. I have no idea where it's at. And then it wasn't until both of these are quite good quality. If you have a Mac Man, this isn't a bad set to have. It goes pretty high, and pretty low too. T8 being the smallest and T80 being the biggest. Over here you've got T55 and a T15 being your smallest. Here for safety bits, I've got I believe it's a Great Neck brand. I bought this quite a while ago. There was a buddy who needed some and it had extras, so I gave them to him here at work. And it's a surprisingly useful set on quite a awesome storage set. But over here, I have a PAKPB071. And this set here from Snap-on I got when it was on a big sale. And see, it's got these stubby little Allen heads. But it's got all the way from T8 to T55. It's literally just one short. No? Yeah, it's literally just one short, and that's T60, not T80. I got that wrong. But yeah, the original reason why I bought this set though is because these here are my Matco from back when I was in school. Allens. These are my only metric Allens. I know. A diesel mechanic and my only metric Allens for the longest time were these big bulky fellas. I mean, I haven't needed that one for a while. That's why there's still a net on it. Still a bolt on it. But over here, we've got even stubby torx. Now they don't go at it's T27 all the way up to T55. But these Allens, metric Allens, are the main reason why I bought this set. And well, it turns out that I've got other Allens and torx that I wanted to show you. I didn't have a chance to say anything about them or show you anything about them when I was there at work. So these are tools from work that I use on a regular basis. We've got Snap-on, AWMBS9, and these are stubby metrics. They're stubby on one end and got the ball on the other. Really come in handy. We got the matching set standards. AWBS 13. And then from Kimball Midwest, I really like these. They're a matching set of twists. Now, see, I don't know what company makes these because I've seen a different company. I think it was Mayhew. Had a very similar one that had the same paint and everything. It just didn't say Kimball Midwest or the KM on the part. So I'm sure you could get it from whatever your nearest dealer is. The twists almost seem to make it harder, and either the fastener that you're trying to get loose is going to break, or these are going to break. These things don't break easy, and when they break hardcore. But they've been holding up really good. I haven't broke one yet. Then here I have a set of Torx drivers made by Snap-on. They got my favorite handle design here because I love this hard handle. Not the biggest fan of the soft grips, guys. Really aren't. Slips right out of your hands. Now the problem is our modern brake cleaner that we got at the shop will make you leave a thumbprint in these, and it'll take the paint off of these. But anyways, enough of that. The set here goes from T45 all the way down to T8, which isn't bad for a driver set. It's also late year, so you can tell by the packaging and how it's made. It's definitely not something I bought while I was in school. It's something I actually bought used off of my boss. That's just what was available. Now, we were talking about the big Allens, how I only had that certain set, the Matco set, as the metrics. Well, here I've got these Snap-on big metrics that I got on that same special where I bought that big Snap-on set of Torx and Allens. I bought these big Allens. These big Allens. We got metric 19 through 9. They're missing a couple numbers every once in a while. A tool company will do that. I don't know why, but they're pretty darn good for busting stuff. I wouldn't recommend them on an impact because it's all chrome. There's no, you're going to tear the heck out of your anvil. Something's going to break. Something's going to shatter. It won't be pretty. And so this set here goes from 3/4 to 5/16, and this is just a wonderful set of Allens, and I want to make sure that you got a chance to see them. Anyways, those are my Allens and my Torx Allens as far as metric go, and that's what I use for work. If you have any Torx or Allen bits, or if you just want to talk about the differences between standard and metric, feel free to leave a comment. It's open for you, and if you like this channel, like what I'm doing with these Saturday tool reviews, or any of my other reviews or comments or anything like that, leave a thumbs up. Let me know. And I will be reading the all the comments. So feel free to give me advice, tell me what you think would improve this channel. So until we meet again, thank you for checking out my channel. Bye.